you look into the mirror, do you find yourself wishing you had a brighter smile like those models in the toothpaste ads? Many of us aren't that fortunate, but with today's options, there's no need to hide those pearly whites anymore. Let's take a closer look at the best place to put your money where your mouth is. Smile. Whether we're aware of it or not, most of us smile countless times in a day. Every smile is unique and says a lot about our mood and personality. But what do you do if you're like Barry and your teeth are on the yellowest end of the spectrum?
I've never really been comfortable with the color of my teeth. I just have this feeling they can be whiter, and no matter what I try, I can't seem to whiten them myself.
Do you stop smiling? Hardly. Brush harder? Not necessarily. Here's what one Toronto dentist I spoke with had to say about stained teeth.
There are many reasons. Some can be age, some can be habits, whether they smoke, type of foods that they have. Some can also be stained from childhood if they took antibiotics when they were very young. Sometimes damage to their teeth, decay to their teeth. So all these sort of reasons in effect give people stained teeth.
Many people today are reaching for toothpastes with special ingredients to whiten their teeth. The results seem nominal at best.
I think they're very good for advertising. I don't think that they're in contact long enough with your teeth to give any noticeable change.
Even the effectiveness of the over-the-counter kits is questionable.
The over-the-counter kits I would caution people to stay away from. They can be very, very caustic, and they sometimes work by stripping the enamel off your teeth.
Now, dentists like Jordan Soll can provide their clients with an alternative.
We can now whiten patients' teeth. It can be done either in the office or at home, and it's very, very effective and 100% completely safe.
Most dentists offer both the in-office and in-home whitening treatments, and Barry is a candidate for both.
Nice big smile. Great.
When we're doing the in-office whitening, we're going to place a little rubber covering. It's going to be an isolation of the teeth. Okay? It's a very concentrated solution of the whitening gel. Again, 100% completely safe, but you may feel a little stinging. If you do, please just point to the tooth and we'll take care of that for you.
After the whitening gel is applied to the teeth, a high-intensity white light is used to speed along the oxidation process.
The in-office is primarily a matter of convenience. However, it does have a good place in cosmetic dentistry when dealing with very, very tough to treat teeth.
This office procedure takes approximately an hour to an hour and a half. Generally, 1 to 2 appointments are required. Barry is now ready for the in-home whitening treatment. Impressions of his teeth are taken so that his teeth can be fitted with a custom tray.
And it's this custom tray that is paramount to the success of the home whitening system, because the evidence shows that you need to have an intimate contact of the whitening material with your teeth to get the kind of results that you're hoping for. The only side effect that you may find is some minor tooth sensitivity, and in most cases the sensitivity dissipates as the treatment progresses.
Barry's then instructed to wear the custom tray for 2 weeks at night for maximum whiteness. So what's the cost of these procedures?
In an average area within Toronto, you can anticipate to spend between $400 and $600 for the home bleaching.
And the in-office?
In-office, depending on the number of treatments, can be close to $1,000.
I caught up with Barry and Dr. Soll 2 weeks later, and the results were
terrific. Wowie zowie. You can see this is how we started off, and you can now see how dramatic the change has been. You have whitened 14 plus shades on a 15 shade guide. So you have gotten just a dramatic improvement. Most people would get probably between a 4 to 5 shade shift. You certainly have done very well.
I'm very happy. The results are dramatic. The home whitening system, it was so easy to use. I had results almost as good as this within the first 5 or 6 days, but I kept going for the full 12 days, and I'm just thrilled. Can't wait to get started on the bottom ones now.
wow, what a smile.